All right. I don't think you're ready for this. You ready for this with your Surefire? All right, you got 7 rounds in the mat, or 7 rounds in the rifle, 7 in the pistol.
Yep.
Go ahead and check. Make sure everything's loaded. Don't do like Thomas did. Fuck it up.
All right.
Fuck it up. All right, shooter standing course fire.
Yeah.
Stand by. Stay down behind cover. There you go. 27:45. My man is smoking through it. All right, let's go check them hits.
Not got much of it.
It was fast. All right, so damn. All right, so we got let's align break. So we'll give it to you as a Charlie, 2, 3 Charlies, 4 Charlies, so 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 45 for your overall time. Looks like you won that one. Good shooting, Tex.
I'll take it. Do not come.
Do not come. I'm gonna come. All right, shooter standing course fire.
Yeah.
All right, so you were 22:36 with 1 procedural because you didn't fire 3.
3?
The last rifle was supposed to be 3 rounds.
Uh.
So you are 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So 32, 36 for your final. Shooter standing course fire.
For real this time.
Stand by. Touch barrel. Diagonal. Touch barrel. Move the pistol. 4 corners.
Hear that sizzle?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. What do you mean, you people? Make me feel some type of way.
Oh, man's gonna try it.
All right, shooter, stand a course fire.
Red dot only? Who do you think you are?
You're a spotter. Go ahead and turn the camera on.
You don't care about Ali. He doesn't even have a channel yet.
Is that recording?
Yep.
All right, stand by.
He's tough with red dot only. Hit. Kind of cool seeing the rounds fly.
Last position.
Last round.
Good shooting, man. 62.86 for your time.